Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup video. I'm going to be glowing up. I'm going to be making myself look so cute. Makeup is going to look awfully. Hair is going to be done, and then I'm going to put on a nice little cute outfit and show you. So if you like to see the result of this video, this transformation, keep watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and check out some recent videos of mine. They'll be in the description box below. Now let's get on into this video. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my brows. My brows are shaved, so ain't gotta worry about that. I think it's always good to make sure your eyebrows are like freshly shaved. Let me try to find. So I'll be using the Clean Color brows, and I'm gonna get these brows done. The quarantine days is so over, like it's time to look so cute. Take some bomb pictures, take some really cute picture for Instagram, and come show out on the gram and show them, say, yo, this is me, my name's Amanda, and I'm cute. Okay, so if you see me looking down, I'm going to be using this mirror that I have in one of my powder thing, just so I can get the eyebrows looking so cute. Go. Eyebrows are done. Okay, so now I'm going to put on my concealer and get these eyebrows on fleek. And I'm using my angle brush, and I'm going to put on my concealer. I'm using the Eyebrow concealer. I also use the LA Girl Pro concealer, but my go-to is the Eyebrow concealer. I just want to conceal these brows. I want to make sure these brows are looking on fleek. Let me blend this out. Where's my beauty blender? Honestly guys, a beauty blender is really important. I feel like everybody should have like a beauty blender, because you can literally do your makeup with only a beauty blender. Okay, so now I'm going to be applying my foundation. This is the foundation that I use. I'm going to be using the liquid foundation first, and then I use a powder. So I'm just going to be putting on just a little squirts here and there, not a lot. And I'm going back in with my beauty blender, but I'm using the flat side, and I'm going to blend out this foundation. Extra time and blend your foundation, because it will show that, listen, yo, this not gonna put your face properly. Okay, so my foundation is blended flawless. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding my Milani Minerals Compact foundation just to make sure my face is fully blended, and I'm going to be using my foundation brush, and I'm just going to apply some on my face and my neck. Don't forget your neck, guys, like, you know. There we go. So now I'm going to contour and conceal. So now I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to be concealing under my eyes. Look over, look. Jesus. Okay, now I'm going to blend that out, and I'm taking my beauty blender. Just gonna make sure it's wet, and I'm going to blend this out. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to contour. Okay, so I'm gonna use my expensive, nothing, I use this, the Clean Color Contour Palette. It's inexpensive, but it works. And I'm going to be taking my brush, and I'm going to contour. Now I'm going to be using the LA Girl baking powder, and I'm going to bake. Woo! Woo! I'm going to bake my face, like. Dust. This is the. Like this, I make me start this guy. Dusty man, dusty up here, dusty part. Apply on areas that you know you always like sweat or you just want to bring out. So I want to bring out my cheekbones. And I'm gonna put some under my eyes. And I'm going to allow that to set. And then I brush. So now that I got my setting powder on, I'm going to be going to my eyeshadow. So first I'm going to add my concealer, because concealer makes your eyeshadow pop. So I'm going to be going ahead with my LA Girl concealer, and I'm going to be adding that to my eyelids so that my eyeshadow can be looking good and popping. And I'm going to blend that out. I'm going to be taking my brush and I'm going to blend this out. The funny thing is, nobody taught me how to do makeup. Like, I remember I've been doing, like, you know, fast makeup since like I was young. Like my aunt, like my aunties makeup, my grandmother makeup, so it's like I had to get into it. Like there's no way for me not to be in makeup, and I come from a family that you know put them stuff together. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow. I'm going for something natural but something cute. There's my eyeshadow palette. I got this. I'm going to be adding a little color. Some this is the Milani Ferris Oil Eye Shine. Where's my next one? Yeah, I mostly use Milani. I mostly have Milani. I have this next one. I got two of those. I got this next one. Look at these colors. Let me show you, because I'm putting you on. Like, these are so pigmented. Can't you get me? Like, look at this. Look at this. Wait. I don't know if you're seeing. Yes. Look at these colors. Let me show you the next one. because it is so pigmented. Yo, it's crazy. Now that I love them here, like I gotta stack up. Get this one. Like, yo, I'm stacking up because these are cute. But okay, so I'm just going to be adding like another neutral tone because the concealer basically gave me a neutral tone. Let me grab my other brush, some other one, and I'm just going to be adding some neutral colors going in. Something natural. Wait, where's my next brush, bro? And for those who didn't know, you can add lipstick and lip gloss to your eyeshadow, and trust me, woo, results are endless. Just a disclaimer, I'm not putting on no lashes because lashes ain't working for me. Like, so I'm just basically putting it on one side of my eye. On my eye, I'm going to be going in with one of these. I don't know yet. Actually, I'm gonna be going in with one of these. And I'm going to finish it off. I think I'm gonna go with this one, using this color that's up here, and that's gonna finish off my makeup. Okay, so I'm just gonna be wiping this off. So now I'm gonna do my lips. I'm just doing a natural lip color, honestly, because I'm just doing something simple. Let's just admit it's a pandemic. Comment down below if you want to see like more makeup tutorials and all of that, because I got you. So I'm gonna be using the Milani 36 lipstick. It looks like this. This is how it looks. And also I'm going to be using a lip pencil. I'm using the Milani lip pencil and it's called Tawny Temptation. I'm using this as well for my lips. And just to add a little, I'm going to be using the Imani Luxury Lip Shiner, and it looks like this. So first I'm going to line my lip and then add the lip colors. Let me put some lip colors. This is my favorite. Let me turn this man into a my lip is lined, so I'm going to be adding the Milani lipstick. Not a lot, just a little. And then I'm going in with this, the Imani Luxury Lip Shimmer, and just add a little as well. Guys, so my hair, I got a little ponytail with little curls on the end. I got my edges. Stay tuned for my detailed video on how to do edges. I got my outfit on, my makeup is on fleek, so I'm going to be showing you my full outfit, hair, everything. But yeah, girl, we're looking cute. This was my glow up transformation. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm on the road to 500 subscribers, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.